Here are two kangaroos engaged in an all-out brawl, and one of them wins rather decisively. This adorable bunny simply refuses to be shut out of his meal. Oh, so you thought Megan Thee Stallion could twerk well? Well, feast your eyes. And these are a couple of very happy seals. This dog literally has eyes in the back of his head, or maybe his butt. And here's the kangaroo who lost earlier training for the rematch. This dog couldn't quite figure out his own doggy door. This kitty cat literally transforms into a giant, unstoppable donut. This kitty really just wanted to go on vacation with her owners. This baby receives an epic jump scare from a fish.